In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI to create landing pages for Shopify. If you want to create a professional Shopify landing page without spending hours writing copy from scratch, ChatGPT can help you get started much faster. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use a simple prompt to generate persuasive landing page content that you can customize for your own products. Whether you're building a product page, a sales page, or a promotional landing page, this approach gives you a strong foundation to work from. To begin, open ChatGPT in your web browser and start a new conversation. Once you're ready, enter the following prompt. Write a high-converting landing page copy for a Shopify store. Include a compelling headline, a section highlighting key product benefits, a structured layout for different page sections, and persuasive call-to-action buttons. Quote, "This prompt works well because it clearly explains what you want ChatGPT to create. Instead of generating generic text, it focuses on producing content specifically designed for a Shopify landing page, complete with the essential sections that encourage visitors to learn more about your product and take action." After submitting the prompt, ChatGPT will generate your landing page copy. Depending on your request, the response may include a headline, a supporting subheadline, product benefits, content for different page sections, testimonials, and one or more calls to action. Take a few moments to carefully review the generated content and make sure it aligns with your product, your audience, and your overall brand. If you'd like to make the copy more personalized, ask ChatGPT to rewrite it using a premium, friendly, or more persuasive tone. You can also include your product name, describe your ideal customer, or highlight your product's biggest benefit. The more details you provide, the more tailored the results are likely to be. Once you're satisfied with the content, copy the sections you want to use. This usually includes the headline, product features, testimonials if they were generated, and the call to action text. These elements form the core of an effective landing page. Next, sign into your Shopify store and open the page where you want to place the new content. Paste the headline into the page title, add the feature descriptions to the appropriate content sections, and position the call to action wherever you want visitors to take the next step. If ChatGPT generated additional sections, such as customer benefits, social proof, or urgency messaging, you can include those as well to create a more engaging page. A successful landing page clearly explains what your product is, why it matters, and what visitors should do next. ChatGPT makes that process faster by giving you a solid starting point that you can continue refining until it matches your brand and marketing goals. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,